How much does a polar bear weigh? Enough to break the ice. Hi, I'm Sean. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to cover your pimples. It's a topic that I have a lot of experience in. As you can see, I'm next to a window so it doesn't look that bad, but you can get the up close and personal. Yum! Oh my god, yum! That's delicious. Yay! Oh, that's a nice one there too. All the products that I'm going to be using today are going to be cruelty-free and vegan because I'm vegan, surprise. Ooh. Ooh. Sweet. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get your rose hip oil. It makes you really nice and glowy. And it's not as... Sometimes when you use cream moisturizers, it creates like a paste instead of just moisturizing. You know what I mean? Like before makeup, you put on a cream moisturizer and it doesn't sink into your skin, you know what I mean? I need it to be sunk into my skin. Okay, so I got this bad boy. Ooh. Pop it on your hand and then pop it on your face. I also already washed my face prior to this so that we don't create even more pimples. And now that we look nice and greasy, you're going to want to grab a primer of some sort. This isn't actually a primer, it's a BB cream. It's by Nude by Nature, but it actually works really well as a primer. Pop that one on. Prime it real good. And now for the important part, you want to grab some foundation. This is the Designer Brands foundation. The Longwear 24-hour one. I can't see shit, I need a mirror. Look, they're disappearing. I need some more. Got a lot of pimples. Just gonna dot it on there. Really blended it. You gotta really blend it so that it's blended. Alright, and then once you've used your brush, I usually just go with my fingers anyway, so that there's no brush strokes. Ooh! Alright. This is probably one of my top tips, apart from the oil, is to get a powder foundation to set your liquid foundation. It just provides a lot of extra coverage whilst not feeling like you have more stuff on your face, if that makes sense. Like it just feels like a regular powder. What I'm using is Nude by Nature. It can be a little bit more expensive, but... Oh, that's a booger. But it's worth it, it's cruelty free, pretty natural ingredients. What more could you want, you know? Now this isn't my everyday makeup, because I prefer to maybe just wear the powder foundation and a bit of mascara. But, like I said, this is how to cover your pimples. Pimples do kind of suck. I've actually had like cystic acne since I was maybe grade 9. When was that? It's been like 7 years now. I've had cystic acne for 7 years now. Pray for me. Not fun, hey? It's just not fun. The good thing about the oil as well is that it provides a natural highlight. I don't use highlighter, I just use the oil. It looks like you're literally just glowing. Just so good. I need to wash my hands. I usually don't contour my face, but I do contour my chin here. Because I like to look like I don't have a double chin. My mirror's down here, by the way, if you're wondering why I'm being rude and looking down there. Girl. Look at that jawline, girl. Oh, girl. Can I just say, it's so awkward trying to talk to a camera. This is the first YouTube video I'm making, and it's just not It doesn't feel natural in any sense of the word. That'll do. That's pretty much it for skin. I might put on the rest of my makeup and then give you guys a final look. I'm back. I'm gonna take this hair down. Ooh, bit of a mess. Alright, there's a bee in my room. Yeah, that's it, I guess. So you can see, the pimples are all but gone, pretty much. Yeah. Alright, that's it.